What's up, y'all? It's Deej with Deej Fishes. If I look tired and exhausted, it's because I am. Slept in my car for 2 hours last night. Still had to wake Tyson's ass up this morning.
I was awake.
But we're at the Southwest Customs Championship for the year, a 2-day tournament at Roosevelt Lake. Roosevelt Lake is going off right now, so we expect to catch a bunch of fish, but we got to run into some big ones. So today's Saturday, day 1. Right after today, I'm running back home because it's my daughter's birthday. We're gonna do a little dinner, sing her happy birthday, and then we'll be right back here to fish tomorrow. So thank you guys for tuning in, and hopefully we can cash a check.
Got it.
Isn't that? Not a decent one? Hell yeah. We'll go, bro.
Is it working?
First fish, y'all. Tyson blind casting with a jig. I don't hear it.
That'll be fun.
I got thumped once. There it goes. Tag him?
White.
White tag. Today we need them all bigger than this guy. A couple 100 yards out of the water, bro.
That tree is like the money spot. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, they're back, you know.
If you can catch them.
I've seen them, I think we did go back there a couple trips ago, and they were back. There's a fish.
Yeah, you too?
There's a fish.
We both just got bit at the same time. Mine just fucking comes undone. Better be a giant.
He's not. It's like a 3-pounder.
No, it needs to be a 7, dude.
Not even.
Up to 2.5.
Dude, he slammed that. I was bringing it behind the boat.
He got bit on the shore, basically.
Dude, I mean, he hammered that.
This is an area, you know, where you can just fucking go back and forth.
Fish number 3. Another little clone. What color?
Number 3?
Huh?
That is number 3?
Yeah. What color? Green?
Orange.
Orange. First smallie of the day on the white chatterbait. Tyson broke off, so to stop him from crying, I had to cast in there and catch her. Get her back for him.
Tyson doesn't know how to fish. Or tie knots.
I told you he was tired today. Look at her. She got that bloody tail. That's a female, right? Or is that the male that does
That's
that?
a male that does that.
All right, all 4 of them are in this box. Oh, white on white chatterbait with that drunken shad on the back.
We'll catch this one. We're gonna get out of here.
Where's it at?
Nowhere. Right on that bed. It's probably like a 2-pounder.
Hey, bro, yeah. Where is it?
2-pounder we don't have right now. It's, dude, yeah, they're not.
Yep. Oh, he's a largie.
Aw, dude. Guess what? Maybe.
Oh. He flicked it off right at the last second right there. You didn't see that?
Alright, should we roll?
Smallest fish of the day. Well, this is our limit fish right here. This is an important fish.
Red.
But we're only sitting on probably 11, 12 pounds. So. Red, you said?
Yeah, red. What I don't have is any white fucking.
But you don't have his what? What you're saying, bro? Just play them good. Play them good.
Coming up. Watch that rod. Big ass cat.
Oh my God.
It's the right size.
Jesus.
That's the right size though, right? About 7 pounds?
Shit.
Carbine was in my right hand.
About 6 pounds. That's what we needed, right? It was about 6 pounds.
Oh shit. Dude, I swear that's how those catfish hit it though. Damn, bro. Woo! I thought you had what we needed, dude.
like there was a bigger rock like sticking out of the water.
Right.
But it was like in here somewhere.
Good, how you doing?
Not great,
one,
not bad.
Here's one.
Just, yeah. That. Is it good?
It's better. It's cold. Can I net on your side? I'm sorry. Yeah, for real.
Yeah, just drive by over them again. No more time for it. Probably take the scissors out of the net too.
Yeah.
Alright, what do you want to see? Besides the fish.
Is this proof enough that we got our licenses?
I sure hope you do. So we'll check 2 life jackets, fire extinguisher, and a Type 4 throwable, and then I'll get your fishing license.
There's one life jacket, there's 2.
Perfect.
If you can see those. I don't have my license on me. You guys can look it up, right?
I
Smack him in the head. Are you going to eat it or are you going to take a hook to the chin?
You ate it? Oh my god.
That's a better one.
Yeah.
I told you he was wide.
Yeah, dude, he was a better one. And he ate it.
Fuck yeah, he did.
Alright, bud. I know you didn't get a chance to fight, but come on.
That was worth it. 12 minutes or whatever we just spent on that fucking fish. I just told you, I just couldn't tell how long it was. I knew it was built better though.
Careful where you move. I got 2 snags behind us.
You have 2 snags?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
One of them's in the tree. It'll probably come out. The other one is not.
That is a perfect.
Alright, orange is that smallest. Alright, let's go get these snags. Good shit, dude.
So worried things. Thomas was saying the other night that people want you arrested. They do. Some of those he speaks to, the farmers north of here, and the reconstruction people. I have no doubt of it. There will always be some who will not like me. It is the old story of the dog with the bad name.
You see that?
Yeah, is that crappie?
No, it's a bass.
Looks like a fucking crappie.
You see the other one that was with them? Took off?
What people would say. She smiled at me. Since when has the
Not gonna get her done. But they're fun. Oh no. Good one? Oh yeah.
Yeah, he had me wrapped.
Oh, he's not big. Nice. Another clone. This one might call a little bit, bro. Damn, what hook is this?
It's good, huh?
Yeah. Toss him.
No, I would weigh him.
It's definitely not yellow. White has nothing on it. Definitely not black.
Alright, put
really big hurry coming back into the ramp. Oh my God, I'm about to get in an accident. I'm actually driving back in between days right now. So it's my daughter's birthday today. It's her fourth birthday. So we are headed back home so we can go have dinner, cake, sing happy birthday, because I'm not gonna miss that. We're doing our party next weekend because Dad's going to fish tournament. So big thank you to my wife and to my kids for putting up with my nonsense. But we're on our way back right now. We got a 2-hour drive because the freeway that we normally take, the 87, is closed due to an emergency scene. So we had to go all the way around the opposite way to get home, but that's all right. We're gonna be there about 6:30, have some dinner, put these kids to bed, and then we're gonna drive right back out to Roosevelt Lake and do it all over again for day 2. We came in with, I left early. I didn't do the weigh-in because I wanted to get home as soon as possible, but we had about 13 to 14 pounds, which is gonna land us, you know, middle of the pack. I think there's like 80 or 90 boats out there, and I think we're gonna be in 28th, 29th, maybe 30, 31st place. So we're still in striking distance to cash a check tomorrow. We'll have to have a good day. Today was fun. We caught a good amount of fish. I mean, we caught, you know, 20 fish, 20, 30 fish. Caught a lot of them on top water at the end of the day. Missed some good ones. Caught, you know, a few on beds this morning. It's really just a mixed bag of what we caught them on. Drop shot, crankbaits, chatterbaits, top waters, buzz baits, walking baits, jigs, Ned rigs. I mean, we really, I caught them on a weightless fluke. We really caught them on just a smorgasbord of things. So anyway, I'm just rambling because I'm exhausted, and we're going to continue to be exhausted, but we're going to go and handle our household responsibilities and make sure that we are there for our family. Then we're going to come back tomorrow, have a better day, and hopefully cash a check. Ken, that's the first time I've seen that.
Not mine. You get like the big tournaments and all the co-anglers that have never driven a boat or backed up a boat before trying to launch their pros.
Bro, fishing?
Oh, come on.
Fishing,
I got bit right.
I saw you load close. But fishing these events with you, the Wednesday nighters and stuff, that's what really got. I mean, I've known how to back at a boat, but like on an open ramp by myself at 5 a.m. Oh yeah.
Good one. I knew I fucking had one. Well, that's better than 2 pounds even. He fucking swam out with it, so I could never feel it. And I was like, why is my line not catching up?
Alright, so that's white.
Yep.
The one is white.
That's a 206.
Yep.
They're heavier down here. Look how that fish is built compared to what we were catching yesterday.
Yeah, he is. Dude, we should just stay down
These
here.
might be pre-spawn.
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean.
Left side.
There you go, bro. Choking a jig, huh?
Built like 10th of a pound better. We wanted that one.
Dude, he's literally just wedged. There we go. Hold on.
Yeah. He fucking demolished my jig though.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, I saw that. Your jig is all torn to shit. No way.
Same.
211.
No, it'll lock itself. This is the right kind of rock for a jig.
Yeah, if you're going subsurface, oh.
good. Got it?
Don't worry about it.
Quarters of 2 pounders down here.
You almost flopped out the boat. This guy's definitely not 2 pounds. Almost.
Piston still, dude. Pre-spawn, piston fucking fish.
What color for this guy?
Orange.
Orange. Well, that was cool, bud. Thanks, my guy. A little 1.5er.
No, 1.7. Oh,
5.
he's skinny.
1.46.
Yeah.
Alright, orange is our smallest.
Got him.
Got him?
I can't tell how big it is, but I saw a big flag.
Go, bro. Why the did we not come up here yesterday?
We tried, man. That's a 3.5. Huh?
Yeah. Filled out. Well, filled out more than the fish we were catching yesterday. More fish in the boat. Sometimes this thing takes off like a missile, and other times. There's one.
Little one.
Oh, Tyson.
The little one.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
You got me in a tree, bro.
Oh no!
We can come off.
No, he didn't.
You came off, bro.
No! That's why I said it was a little one, because I saw the way he was hooked. I thought he was going to come off from back there.
Dude, that was a big one.
It was like a 3.
No, he's on. He's on. He's on. Oh my gosh.
He just looked sideways.
Yeah, that was a little one.
He's not little. There's a limit fish.
He's a
On
skinny
fucking
fish.
100 feet of bank.
Dude, he got me so wrapped up, bro. And he wasn't pulling. Limit fish, baby. 2 topwater fish, 2 jig fish, and a square bill fish. We are rolling. We are rolling right now. It's 6:06. This is a 2 pounder, so.
I mean, we have our weight from yesterday already.
Yeah, we do. We literally are about to. Now we're gonna be like a pound short. Because we got that little 1.4 in there.
Oh yeah, fuck that.
This is a 20198.
That fish back there is probably still trying to spit my crankbait back up. It's fucking popped off.
Yeah, we got 1094, so we're still.
I'll take it.
Yeah, dude. I mean, we needed a kicker yesterday. I mean, we had decent fish.
I mean, we beat 2/3 of the pack.
Right.
And never caught a decent fish. Like, never caught a big one at all.
Yeah, David, my buddy David, caught their biggest was a 410.
2 branches to go off each side of it. But look at that shit, dude.
Yeah, dude, your crawls are
Back into the door, I stepped into the street, pulled the slip knot on the tie rope, and stepped into the saddle. That roan was tired. He was plumb beat,
It's not the same
but he
fish.
sensed I was in trouble.
Oh no.
Definitely a fish, but not the same fish.
The same exact spot. I don't think he's in the coal for
I
us.
think I found the female first.
Yeah. 198 is our smallest one.
There was no need to pass
he's
Bingo
Nah, he's
Mary's
not
place to
198.
get there.
If he is, he's
So there'd be
199.
nobody to report my passing.
Yeah, he took it and swam out with it. We used to flip shallow cover, bro. I think just all day.
Twice I glanced back.
we got plenty
We got an unlimited source of it. There's no way we could flip all of it. So
He could even appoint himself and make a good story of how it was a wild kid who needed taken care of.
Meanwhile, he'd have his use of and the spending of my money. When I saw far ahead the dark shadow of the cabin, it was already coming on to snow. I pulled up, although the roan wanted to go on in.
230.
Satin might not be just too
It
much
should be
weight
bigger than
going off the
198.
mountain
Let's
in
see
the
what we
deep
got.
snow. Besides, if they got me, I didn't want them to profit by it. It was then I thought of the cash.
221.
Picked out some corn I kept there for gold spells. Then I started for the cabin. There was a side of bacon there.
It's been a slow day, guys, but we got this long, slinky guy, probably 3.5 pounds.
Dude, you should be 5 too.
I know, he's all spawned out.
White, yellow, orange.
Orange is out?
Yeah, orange is gone.
Alright.
The Devil's Den reaches between the Sulphur River and
This is...
one group saw another.
Orange or yellow? Here, take yellow. Here's orange. I think it's orange. I think it's orange, bro.
By like 0.02.
Yeah, it's orange. He's skinnier. So I'm gonna put this guy on orange.
Anyways, just
You wanna weigh him?
yeah, well, no.
Jack English said, everybody else is trying.
I say 387.
Yeah, 3.8 is right.
She looks at him sometimes.
Should be 521.
For real.
He's all woman that
Watch your foot.
How close do you think we were?
Pretty close.
Pretty close.
Yeah. What is it? 3.6.
it was lacing the train.
All right. Here's orange. He's gone.
The subject is more dog than any woman I ever did see. Mostly they called
Now you've got
it
12 and a half pounds.
or the widow. That country wasn't full of widows. Looks like she
I did not think he was that big. We got a little double here. One on the chatterbait, one on the flipping jig. He ain't gonna do nothing for us. And I don't think this guy is either.
He might do.
Yeah, he might barely call.
Looks like he's 213. Is he thin?
I don't even think he's...
He's thin.
Yeah.
170?
Yeah.
Oh no!
170. There's no shortage of these out here. We've lost some big fish today, but we still got over 3 hours to put it together. Wow, that was pretty efficient, bro. Unhooked them on the camera. If you want to catch these, come to Rosie and flip trees, because there's no shortage of them.
Oh shit, it's pulling back. Oh, it's not
little.
even that big. Oh yeah, it is.
I'm not gonna cobra.
Push this rod. Dude, it pulled back like a motherfucker. Did you see that?
I just saw you set the hook.
It's gonna help though, huh?
No, we got a 211 is our smallest one.
What?
I only had a little bit. I told you there was a fish on it, bro.
Fish on it.
I fucking told you there was a fish on it.
What? How come that one stays on, but the one that I fucking hook set with my
Oh my
hooks and
god.
Oh
Dude.
my gosh.
What the hell just happened? All for this little guy.
Oh my god.
Didn't even set the hook on him, but the boat set the hook on him.
Dude, I whack a 4-pounder in the face and he comes off.
That fish, I went to net Tyson's fish, which unfortunately didn't help us, but it was a little 2-pounder. And my line got caught up. And I swore I felt the fish on it. I was wrapped around 3 other trees and stuck under the boat. And we ended up catching a 1/2-pounder. Meanwhile, Tyson absolutely hammers a 4-pounder with a jig and it just jumps off at the boat like nothing. Wow, guys, what a weekend, honestly. An exhausting weekend, if I'm being honest. You know, we fished, I think it was something like 9-10 hours on Saturday, and then I drove about 5 hours back and forth to go have dinner and have happy birthday with the kids, and then another 8 to 9 hours of fishing again on Sunday. We caught more fish than I can count, honestly. You guys saw maybe a third of the fish catches, but they were all about the same size. We just could not break that 2-pound mark. We had, I think, maybe 3 fish, maybe 4 that were in the 3 to 4 pound range, but it just wasn't enough. Some guys caught, one team caught 2 10-pounders on Sunday alone. Brought in 31 pounds to weigh in. We ended up with about 25, 26 pounds, if I remember right, for the total 2-day weight. So nothing huge, but we placed decently high. We were 25th place and there was over 100 boats. So we beat 75% of the field, but we were just out of check range. I believe the top 19 or 20 got a check. But hey, I can't complain about a weekend catching fish cast after cast on so many different things. I mean, it was the epitome of junk fishing until we really dialed in that flip and bite on day 2. Anyway, guys, thanks a bunch for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Roosevelt Lake is awesome and it's going to continue to be awesome all summer. So get out there if you can. This is Deej with Deej Fishes, and I'll see you on the next one.